Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Annette. So today what I am working on, I'm actually trying to finish up these two orders, which I'm gonna do now. And I already put some orders out in the front. I gotta do a Don't Be Jelly tutu. I thought I had enough tulle, but I don't. And I thought I had a new roll of ribbon, and for the life of me I can't find it, and I keep all my ribbon organized in one section. It's not there. So I guess I'm gonna have to run to Hobby Lobby, which I hate doing, to get some ribbon and get the tulle for that order. And that's about it. So it's currently now about maybe almost 9 o'clock in the morning. I was up at 5. I came downstairs about 5:30, had my coffee, put my news on, Pix 11 News, and went through my emails, answered some emails, checked some orders, and then I started shopping, because I've been trying to shop for baby gowns, something different than what I already carry. I wanted to get something like with some kind of designs, something cute. But Angela had did a video one time, and I seen that she had the baby gowns with the, I believe it was floral or tie-dye, I don't really remember. So I went on her website today, because I was like, you know what, I remember that she had, you know, different types of baby gowns, and I didn't see them, so I believe they were all sold out. I don't know. I was thinking about sending her a message on Facebook to see. She has some other cute baby gowns that had kind of like a ruff on the bottom, so I don't know. I was thinking about that, and I like that she had yellow also, and I like that it had the zippers on the side. So, and that is my day. So I'm gonna push these out, and I'm gonna let you guys follow me throughout the day. All right, guys, talk to you in a few. All right, guys, so I just cut a piece of the ribbon that I need, and we're off to Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna change my pants. I have pajama pants on, so I'm gonna put some leggings on, and we are going to Hobby Lobby to get the tulle, the ribbon. I need a 24-month-old navy blue t-shirt, which I doubt if they have it there, but my t-shirts have not come in yet. And on a 3-month onesie, because my onesies have not come in. They're due to come in by the end of the week, and I gotta get that order out tomorrow as well. So let's go to Hobby Lobby. Oh, let me grab my water. This face, this is the face of tiredness, aggravation, disappointment, and a few other things. So since I last spoke to you guys this morning, I had to run to Hobby Lobby, as you know. So my mission was to get the tool, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby, which wasn't much because my Hobby Lobby by my house, since before Thanksgiving, had like nothing, no Christmas stuff, nothing. They haven't really been getting inventory. The girls did told me because of COVID. So yeah, so I did find the tool. This was the actual color that I went looking for, and I think I got the matching ribbon, but I'll show you guys what I got because I just wanted to get on here really quick. Tired. I'm gonna make some taco. I'm gonna make tacos for dinner. Today's Taco Tuesday. I was gonna make spaghettis today. I was gonna make spaghettis and Italian sausage for the kids because I didn't have the ground meat. But since I didn't find the navy blue tee or the long sleeve 3 months onesie in either Hobby Lobby, then I went to 4 different Walmarts looking for, which I knew I wasn't gonna get, the 3 month quarters long sleeve onesie, which at that point I was already like desperate, so I was willing to do Gerber even though I don't like Gerber onesies. Wait a minute. So when I went to the last Walmart, I was like, I am not going to another Walmart. I was tired, aggravated. I went to 2 Walmarts that had no kind of disinfectant liquid to clean the cart with, and I left my wallet and my hand sanitizer at home. Plus I cut a piece of ribbon so I could match my ribbon, left that at home too, because I thought in my mind that while the kids were, you know, doing their remote learning, I could run out and run back. Honey, I've been out for almost 4.5 hours. So let me start dinner, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. All right, guys. All right. So I got 2 and it wasn't on sale, but I had no choice, I got it. So this is what I went to pick up because I'm making that donut tutu set. So this is for that, and I had the boutique style onesie already, so I didn't have to order that, so I was happy. And this is why I like to order big orders of stuff, like for, you know, bodysuits in size 12 months and so on, and certain sizes that I know that I sell the most, and I order a little extra of that, because when I place an order I don't have to, you know, worry about running around doing everything that I had to do, like running all over Jersey looking for like a onesie. It's insane. 4 hours, guys, of my day that I could have been doing something. So I had someone ask me if I would make a Yankee tutu, so I saw the navy blue, I thought of her. This one is because I have 2 new designs that I've made on my Cricut design space for, you know, to pair it with the tutu. So I have not even, you know, haven't print and cut the design yet because I wanted to make the tutu first. So I ended up getting the black because yesterday before I left, somebody asked me to make them a Coco Chanel tutu set. So I thought I had enough black. I'm not sure. I said, you know what, I'm not gonna chance it. My chair keeps going down, carajo. So I'm not gonna chance it, because with my luck I'll start making the tutu and be short of tulle. So that's why I ended up this chair, oh my god, I ended up getting the black tulle. And then I ended up getting 2 more safety pins. I hope you guys can see, because these are the ones these are the ones that I use. So I have a silver pair, and now I just ended up getting a gold pair for no particular reason. I just got a gold pair because I like the bigger ones when I am running the ribbon through the casing of my tutus. And then every time I go to Hobby Lobby, and I probably have 6 of these, but I was there 40% off. It's normally $2.99, and it was 40% off, and I said, why not? My tutu fell. All right, so, and then my tulle is falling. You never have enough lint rollers. I mean, at least for me. I cut the piece of ribbon so I would know the color that I use on that set, and I left the ribbon at home, as I said before, with my wallet. So I ended up getting this. This is the original ribbon color that I normally use, but I know I didn't have enough to finish that tutu. I mean, for the tutu period. So I think it'll go. It's close. So thanks God the ribbon was on sale, 40% off from $3.99. So because I would have had a heart attack paying $4 for this. Like, I never do that. So yeah. Because that would have been a lot. It would have been like what, $16 right here in ribbon. I'm not doing that. So I was very happy that when I walked in that store, they had the ribbon 40% off. So I got 4 just to be, you know, safe. Make sure that I have enough for the tutu and the bow as well. So one of the designs that I'm actually going to be making, and I got the tutu for, I thought this would go well with it. So I only got 2 rows because I think I have on my ribbon cart like 3 more or 4 more of these that I picked up way before, like before COVID even started. They had them 40%. I picked up a few because I thought it was pretty. So I'm gonna incorporate that. So that was all that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is my Hobby Lobby mini haul. I'm gonna start the tutu. I'm gonna get that done because everything else I'll just knock it out like that. The elastic ribbon through them. So I used all of the ribbon that I bought except for this much, so it worked out perfect. So let me start running the elastic through the casing. This is the part I hate. This is the tutu, nice and comfy. I love it. So now I have to do the shirt. So to start, don't mind my shirt. Paul went and got me a nice coffee because I needed something to pick me up, and I spilled some of it on myself. I don't know how, but I did. But super cute. Now on to the shirt. All right, guys. So I'm ending the video now. I finished the tutu. Let me turn my heat press off. So I finished the tutu. The tutu's all done. I actually was able to do 2 tutus, so works out. I gotta do the bow. I'm gonna do the bow now. So look how cute the tutu came out. I love it. Love it. So I gotta finish the bows for that. Like I said, I'll do it after dinner. I'll sit in the living room and do it. This is the shirt. I'll include a clip at the end of this video, but I just want to close it out so I can edit the video. Yes. All right, guys. So with that said, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to my channel and you like this video, please help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get notifications as well. And make sure you hit that like button. So this is it to the next video. Have a good night, guys.